Welcome to your dream home, a beautifully renovated 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment right in the heart of Fuengirola. This stunning property offers the perfect blend of modern elegance and everyday comfort. As you step inside, you're greeted by a bright, open-plan living area, beautifully finished with high-quality materials and plenty of natural light that fills the space with warmth. The home is fully air-conditioned and features new double-glazed windows, ensuring comfort all year round. The modern kitchen is a true highlight, with sleek countertops, top-of-the-line appliances, and a smart, functional layout that makes it perfect for entertaining or enjoying family meals together. Each of the 3 bedrooms has been designed with relaxation in mind, complete with fitted wardrobes and soft, welcoming touches. The master suite even includes a luxurious ensuite bathroom, your own private retreat to unwind after a long day. Located right next to a peaceful park, you can enjoy tranquil strolls just outside your door, while still being only moments away from Fuengirola's shops, restaurants, and beautiful beaches. This apartment truly is a gem, combining modern living with the charm of a central location. Don't miss the opportunity to make this exquisite property your new home for only €435,000. Contact us today to arrange your viewing.